This is the T-piece thermostat, which I suspect is no good. Let's test it. Okay, that is very much open circuit. Here is a new inline one. There's a little bit of bypass, but mostly a restriction in both ways. But there is a little bit of bleed through, but that is how it's designed. So let's see if we can use this one to fix this fella. Let's pull this out all the way. Now this should spring apart with a spring. And that's the wax pellet. All right, so that's our old stuff. Let's have a look at our new one. So the first thing we want to see is that the method is the same. So yeah, they look the same. Notice this is out further, and that's because it's no longer moving and is actually jammed out. So this is the part that we are removing. This is the part we are needing to use. That will work fine. And I reckon I'll just also swap over the O-ring for this one. Let's get a little bit of rubber grease on that. Now the shape of the taper, the two flat spots are the same, and the dimensions also are the same. Right, so now we got the new one. Make sure that that is centered properly as well. Okay. Now the wider section at the top. The new clip, because it looks slightly wider as well. And there we go. So we've now made a way more expensive T-piece out of a much cheaper and readily available inline unit. Let's test this. A little bit of bypass, but mostly a restriction. It's ready to go back in. And there it is, back in place. We'll wait and see when we take it for a run if it warms up a bit quicker now.